will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All to oppose, all to oppose.
What's going on, my mighty fine people? Happy Aloha Sunday as I bring to you another video. This is a very interesting shoe, to say the least. Couple shout out, don't forget to holler at the homie SNOOCHS Custom for that customized merch, and use that code do what you like to get 20% off your order from the homie Money Run Clothing. And we will be doing the Who Has the Heat Season 3 battle starting Saturday, so don't forget to tune in. Check out the Family 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, also the sisters Pam M and Princess Fame. You feel me? Now let's jump right into this video, and y'all already know how we do it. Hashtag brick by brick as I try to move to 4K, so spread the word. Now on this shoe you got Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. This is a GS, which is grade school. Size 7Y Fisher colorway, black field purple white. My daughter should be doing her thing. RF code, QR code, suggested retail price $100. You got that K, that Foot Locker little sticker there. Now boring box, but I guess it ain't about the box, right? It's all about the shoe. You don't have this. You got this stamper wrap right there. You got your white paper. You got separate laces. And this is the Rivals pack. This is very interesting, and we're gonna slam it on today as we like to do it. Now get the full view. GS size, very cute. I think these are pretty dope actually. Very dope. Rivals pack. Underneath, right, Jordan 1 Nike with the trademark R. This is dope because on these you got satin, on the adults one you got leather. I think this is very dope. You got a nubuck right here, which is good. It's not that ashy nubuck. Very good materials. So this blue looks like the Knicks blue is dark lighter. So this got to be the Cavs blue. And then this is the Knicks blue. Well, maybe the Knicks blue, because it got the Knicks up here. Like I said, could be the Knicks or Cavs. Definitely can't be the Phoenix Sun. But these are the Rivals joints. Up here, the red could be Portland. Then of course you got the Lakers right there, which is dope. That's in satin as well. And then you got some decent tumble rumble right here, which is pretty good. Then you got your Air Jordan and the glossy gloss look here. You let me know what you think. Would you change the white laces or stick with the black laces? Coming on, and then I like how they got the swoosh outline with the yellow. Then you got the stitching, which is pretty good on the back. You can see the collar, pretty good here. Coming around on the media side, you see they got the stitching on the line. Pretty good. Like, I mean, the leather, not bad. It's not super stiff, so pretty good on this shoe. Then in here, you see you got 7Y. You also got the QR code, and you got the production date, 4/3/19, 5/29/19. And then inside, you see you got that all little different color on the insole, right? You got purple, yellow, red, all that stuff, and orange as well. And then you got even orange, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but so you got the shoe tree, like 7.5 QA, and then you got the Jumpman. So you make sure that's how you get make sure you know you got a legit pair. I mean, I'm really impressed with this shoe. Like I said, versus the adult one. The adult one has leather here versus the satin. I think I like the satin a lot better. So, let's see. Conflicted are we? Only lit meter. I give this about a 4.5 out of 5. I know people is a really hate it or love it on the mid, so I give it about a 4.5 out of 5. I know people out and about copping those Knicks 3 yesterday, but I may do those on the reach back. We'll see what they got out and about today. So again, I give this a 4.5 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Tell a family member or friend to check out the channel. We're trying to hit that 4K. You feel me? As always, it's hashtag brick by brick. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.